Now you belong with me. I have you belong
You want to start?
with me. You want to buy him?
Yeah. You guys can move back to the group you were in yesterday. You behave.
Hey, Coach, you want to buy him?
No, thanks, I'm straight.
$20.
No.
Alright guys, everybody get out a sheet of paper. Collins, you got paper?
We'll just take it.
I got paper.
Who does not have paper? Alright, just 3 of you? Can you raise your hand? You need some? Alright.
I'm sweating. It's hot in here.
Okay guys, can anybody tell me what we went over yesterday?
Substitution and
Elimination.
Very good. Alright, so we're going to start off with a few more substitution problems today. Then we're going to move on to elimination again so you guys can get some more review. Anybody? What? Hans? Oh, now you need a pencil. Oh, I got you.
You thought I was prepared, didn't you? I think.
Alright. Anybody tell me what we said substitution meant? What are we doing with substitute?
Eggs with two. Put something right there for Nash.
Plug it in, right? Okay. So if we know what one of our variables is equal to, we can plug it into the other equation, right? Okay. So, does everybody have this one written down yet?
No.
Alright, by the way guys, this is called a system of equations, okay? And what we do here is we want to find x and y so that they're equal in both of these equations, okay? We want x and y to be the same in both of those, and that's what we're trying to find, alright? Does anybody need more time to copy that down? Everybody good? Okay. So, when we substitute, we plug something in, alright? Do we have anything right there that we can plug in?
Yep.
What do we have?
2.
2.
Yeah.
Where'd you get the 2 from?
X equals 2.
Okay, if x equals 2y, why are we plugging in 2?
I don't know, I got it.
If x equals 2, we would plug in 2y, right? We have to plug in everything that x is equal to, okay? Guys, this x acts like a placeholder, alright? That x is the exact same as that x, alright? Yes, you plug 2y in right there. These x's are the exact same, and those y's are the exact same. So we know what x equals, so we plug that x instead of that one. So, instead of 4y plus 2 is equal to 3x, we have 4y plus 2 equals 3 times 2y. Very good. Okay? Does everybody see how we did that?
Can you put it in parentheses?
In parentheses?
Yeah.
What do you want to put in parentheses?
Like.
You can. Won't change it. Okay? So now that we have one variable, we can solve for y now, right? You guys remember doing that a few weeks ago? You can solve for x, you can solve for y, it doesn't matter as long as you have a variable, okay? So what do we want to do first to simplify this equation?
Minus 3.
Minus 3? Okay, that 3 is being multiplied right there. So can we subtract it?
Not yet.
No, you gotta multiply the
You
thing.
gotta multiply it through, okay?
It's gonna be
So
5.
we get 4y plus 2 equals 3 times 2y equals 5y?
6.
6y, very good. Okay, now what can we do? You subtract what?
We subtract
4,
6
6.
on both sides.
We subtract 4y from both sides. You guys see that? Okay, so we subtract 4y on this side. We subtract 4y on this side.
Get 2y.
Very good. We get 2 equals 2y. So what does y equal?
1.
1. Very good. Okay, so now we know that y equals 1. So how do we solve for x?
Times it by 2.
Do what?
Yeah,
Times it by 2. Because it says x equals 2 over 1. So 2.
Okay, does everybody see that? Now that we know that y equals 1, we can plug it back in up here. Okay? So if we plug it into x equals 2y, we can plug that y in up here. We get that x is equal to 2 times 1. Okay, so what do we know that x equals now?
2.
2. Okay? Alright, now to check your work, just to make sure you've got it right, you can plug both these values into both those equations. Okay? So the first one, you have 4y, and what did we say y was? 1. So 4 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 times x, which is 2. So we found out x is 2. X, 3 times 2. So 4 times 1 is 4.
4 plus 2.
Plus 2 is
6.
6. Okay,
That's correct.
so that's correct. Now we plug it into the second one. What did we say x equals?
2.
2.
So we have 2 equals 2 times, and what did we say y was?
1.
1. So 2 equals 2 times 1. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the x and y that we found work for both of those equations. You guys see how that works now?
Yeah.
Does that make it a little easier?
Yes, sir.
No. Alright, we're gonna do another one.
No.
We're gonna do another one anyways, we wanna make sure. Alright? Does anybody need more time to write this down? You have it in your notes? You sure? I'm gonna come check your notes.
Come on then.
Alright. Alright. I gotta make sure, Holmes, I know you're gonna try to test me. Right? Mm-hmm. Alright. Does anybody have any questions so far? Alright.
That was the number.
Give you guys a second to copy this down. complicated. So if I let you guys try and solve this one in your groups, you think you can do it? No? Alright. So we said that when we're using substitution, what are we doing?
Plug it in.
Plugging it in.
Plug it in.
So what are we doing when we substitute?
Plug it in.
You gotta
Plug it in, right? Alright. So do we have anything here that we can plug in?
Yes.
X with the one.
Okay. So what do you guys want to plug in here? 2y? Why?
The correct answer.
This isn't like the other one. We don't know that x equals 2y, so we can't plug 2y in.
Let's try X.
So we don't know what x is, right? Do we know what y is? What is y? 3x plus 1. Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys see that?
Yeah.
What is y equals?
What is it for?
What is y equals? It's on the board. 3x plus 1. Okay? So since we know what y is equal to, we can plug this in to that equation. Okay? This y and this y is the same. Okay? So if we plug that y into here, we get x plus 2 times
4.
4.
I mean, I don't know.
3.
30.
We're plugging in for y. What is y equals?
30.
3 x. Is that plus or multiplication?
Plus
Okay.
1.
1. Okay. Does everybody see that? Does everybody know what we're doing right now? No?
Yeah.
Okay, where you guys lost that? Alright. That is equal to 9. Does everybody see that? Okay. So now, we're going to solve for x, because that's the only variable we have. So what do we want to do first to simplify this? Okay. We're going to multiply the 2 through, okay? So we have x plus, what's 2 times 3x?
6x.
6x plus 2 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay, now what do we do?
Add x, 1x plus 6x.
Okay, what is 1x plus 6x?
7x.
7x, very good. So we have this 7x plus 2 is equal to 9.
Can you subtract 2 from both sides?
Okay. Subtract 2. What? Somebody have a question? Does everybody know where all this came from?
He wants to know where the 7 came from. He subtracted 2 from the 9.
The 7 came from
I ain't,
1x plus 6x. 1x plus 6x is 7x.
Yeah.
We're just combining our like terms. Okay, we're adding the x's together. So we get 7x equals 7.
Divide by 7.
it's gonna be 1.
Okay. Does everybody see how we got that one?
Yeah. He's not putting that for your kids.
Okay. So can we solve for y now?
Yep.
All right, how do we solve for y?
X equals 1, so you can plug in the 3 right there, then add 1.
Okay, so you want to plug it into the first one? All right. So y equals 3 times, and what was x?
1.
Okay, so 3 times 1 plus 1. So y is equal to 3 plus 1. Y equals 4. Okay? Now we can plug these in and double check and make sure that our answers are right. Okay? So the first one is y equals 3x plus 1. So y is 4. 4 equals 3 times 1 plus 1. 4 equals 3 plus 1. Is this true?
Yes.
Okay. You guys can't focus, I'm gonna have to move you, you know that, right?
It's hot.
Alright. It's hard.
Yeah.
It's just frustrating.
I agree, it's hard. I can't do anything about it. Okay. Now the second one is x plus 2y equals 9. Okay? So when we plug x in, we get 1 plus 2 times y. And what did we say y was?
4.
4. So we get 1 plus, what's 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. Is 1 plus 8 equal to 9?
Yes.
Alright. So we know that our x and our y values are correct, okay? Okay.
Can you give us one to do on
I'll make sure everybody's got this one copied down, and I'm gonna give you guys a proper view on your own. Got it? You have a copy down?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It came unsold. Write it on. Kidding. Ah, for sure. A crazy Puerto Rican guy with a shotgun. He didn't like me fishing on this fence today. Chasing me with the shotgun. Crazy thing like that too. Maybe it's feeling very dirty. No, we ain't Puerto Rican, it's Polish. Did shop. Can't turn back around. You know, it's always right.
Okay, I just changed it. Okay. I changed that 7 to a 2, guys, so that'll make it a little easier. Alright guys, try and do this one on your own. If you can't get it on your own, you may work quietly in your groups, as long as you're not copying each other.
X equals 3, but I think you're open.
I get the correct answer every time. How I did it, okay, so you have 4 plus 2 equals 2x. Let's just act like the 1 gets confused off the top. 2 plus 4 equals 6, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Okay, then you do 3 times 3 equals 9, then plus 2, and that equals 11. Y equals 3, and x equals 3. That's how I got my answer. I know how to do substitution. I like to try
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a couple more minutes.
It's too easy.
Picked it up with that.
Oh, dude. It's 12. When they ask me another time, I just have to do something like,
Are you fat? Still there? Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go over this one as a class, all right?
It was big.
Okay, so what do we do when we use substitution? Plug it in. Alright. Do we have anything that we can plug in? What do we have? Or y. Alright. And what does y equal? Negative plus 2. Okay? So we know what this y equals. This y equals 3x plus 2. Okay? So, looking at this y, okay, by itself, if I cover up that 4, and I cover up everything there, what does that y equal? 3x plus 2. Does everybody see that? You don't see that? Oh, my hand's in the way? Okay. If I cover up that 4, and I cover up all that, what does this y by itself equal? Does everybody see that? Okay? So when I bring these numbers back in, I'm going to keep that y by itself, and instead of writing 4y plus 2 equals 2x, I can look at that y, and I can say 4 times 3x plus 2. Well, yeah. Okay. Look at this y by itself. Alright? Okay, hang on a second.
Trying to get it out.
Okay, you guys are having trouble understanding what to plug in, right? Okay? We know that this y equals 3x plus 2, right? Okay. We want to look at that y by itself. So ignore the 4, ignore the 2, ignore the 2x. So what does that y equal? Okay? You see that? These y's are the same. If you look at that top y by itself, it's still the same as this. Okay? So, instead of having a y, we're going to write 3x plus 2. Okay? That shows where our y used to be, right?